Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be start from neonatology, pediatrics new topic. So let's get started. So first one is a neonatology. First of all, we have to know the duration of the neonatal period. So as I already discussed in my previous video, first 28 days of life is called neonatal period. Next one is divided into two parts: early neonatal period and another one late neonatal period. So first 7 days of life is called early neonatal period, or 7 to 28 days of life is called late neonatal period. So now I will try to explain you how to classify the neonates. So classification of neonates. First one is based on gestational age. So first one is called term, second one is preterm, third one is post term. So preterm means born between 37 weeks to less than 42 weeks. Or preterm means less than 37 completed weeks. This is irrespective of the gestational age. Now the postterm, more than 42 weeks of gestational age. This is the first one, how we classify according to the gestational age. Now the second one based on birth weight. So here number first, low birth weight, second one very low birth weight, third one extremely low birth weight, or in short form ELVW. So low weight, normal weight of the baby is 2.82. Normal weight, as we know, 2.8 to 2.9 kg according to WHO guideline. So low birth weight less than 2500 gram. Very low, less than 1500 gram, or 1.55 kg. Or extremely low birth weight less than 1000 gram. So according to the based on the birth weight we can classify. This is the two type of classification. Third one classification is that based on gestational age and birth weight. So via this graph we will try to understand this classification. Like here we will write the birth weight and here we will write the gestational age. Gestational age or gestational period we can say. So here I have to write 28, 32 week and 36 week and 40. And here I will write the weight, like I will start from 1 because this is the extremely low birth weight. Next 1.5, it means very low birth weight. Next 2 kilogram, they are birth in kg. And next one is the 2.5, then 3, 3.5 and 4. So this is the birth weight according to the guidelines, and this is the gestational age. So here first of all we will see in the 36 weeks, so it is premature baby and weight is 1.5 kilogram. So this is the weight also low and gestational age also is the premature. Second one we will see, this is the 32 weeks of age, so and weight 9 percentile. And second one point we will see here, this is the appropriate date. So you can understand from this, this is the 10 percentile and this is suppose 19 percentile and this is 50 percentile. This point is 50 percentile. So it is we called this point as FD or SGA. This called AFD or AGA. This is called LFD and LGA. Now we will understand in detail what the mean of this. So here guys you can see AFD first of all. AFD or AGA. It means appropriate for date. AGA means appropriate for gestational age. So it means birth weight between 10th to 19th percentile of expected according to gestational age, or it considered as a normal. Second one, see small for date or small for gestational age. It means birth weight less than 10 percentile of expected according to gestational age. Now third one is means LFD, long for date and long gestational age. So here you can see birth weight more than 19 percentile of expected according to gestational age. So this is the mainly classification of the neonates. How we can classify it? First of all, based on the gestational age. Second one, classification I have discussed about based on birth weight, and third one is the under aspect of the birth weight and the gestational age. Now in this after that I will tell you some causes of the LFD. In what situation you can see the large for date or the large for gestational age. So causes, first of all, infants, those from diabetic mother, those of diabetic mother. Second one is the congenital hypothyroidism, those are having. Third one is the like you can see some Soto's syndrome. It means cerebral gigantism, or sometimes it will be seen familiar also, and one syndrome more, Beckwith Windman syndrome. So characteristic of the Beckwith-Windman syndrome, you can see here. They are the three characteristics. First of all, the LFD, large birth, large for date. Second one is, you can see here, macroglossia means large tongue, and hemi-hypertrophy. You can see. So this is the all causes in which you can see baby for large gestational age or large for dates. So this is the first topic from the neonatology I have discussed, and I will be discussing the next part is the second part of the neonatology, maybe resuscitations I will start. So continue, please watch this series, and I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box frankly. Thank you.